Are you planning to renovate your home and unsure what kind of Sanmaika you should use on your furniture? First thing first, do you know that the words Sanmaika and laminate refer to the same thing? Oh yes, you might have heard Sanmaika, especially if you're a 90s kid, as the name laminate was not that popular at that time. Sanmaika is a popular brand of laminate that contractors and vendors refer to laminates in general as Sanmaika or Mica. It is no different than going to a copying center and asking for your papers to be xeroxed, when in fact you should be asking for photocopies. Let's understand what are laminates. The most commonly used finishing layer for MDF, plywood, particle board, wooden furniture, wall panels and floorings are laminates. Essentially, it is a composite artificial material made by pressing together thin layers of flat paper and plastic resins. The upper layer is printed with a decorative pattern or color. You can have laminate as per your choice of design, feel and appearance. It's made up of 3 sheets. There is the base layer, which is non-decorative and is the surface on which carpenter apply their adhesive. The second layer is the decorative layer, which is a sheet with the design on it. And finally, the top layer is a clear translucent sheet that adds to the scratch resistance. Now, the question arises, what are decorative laminates used for? Decorative laminates add elegance and style to any given piece of wood. Decorative laminates are regularly used to make furniture, cabinet doors, panels, sometimes room dividers and flooring. Many of us base our decision on the small laminates chips in catalogs and online galleries. However, these does not give you a full representation of how it will look in real life. While the catalog allows you to quickly compare your favorite selection against the other laminates. Here are 3 key points to keep in mind before you make the final confirmation on your laminate selection. See the full pattern of the laminate while you can feel some of the texture of the laminate chip in the catalog. The sizes there are far too small to appreciate and view the full pattern of the laminate. A laminate chip might measure just 6 cm by 3 cm, while the actual sheet is 8 feet by 4 feet. By viewing the actual sheet itself, you can fully preview the pattern of the laminate to ensure that it is the best choice for your space. Discover the right color tone. When viewing the actual laminate sheet at the store, you get to discover how the sheet interacts with light, both natural and artificial. Feel the texture of the full laminate sheet. Nothing is better than running your hand through the laminate sheet in front of you to fully experience the texture of the full sheet to determine if it fits the theme of your design. When you buy laminates for furniture, you would always buy 2 types of laminate. One is the inner laminate and second is the outer laminate. White laminate is used to cover the inner side of the furniture that is not visible to eyes. This is usually for kitchen doors, cabinets and storage furniture. These are low-cost laminate available for Rs 250 to Rs 450 per sheet. There are variety of decorative laminates used on the basis of their thickness, usage, surface finish and sometimes their properties. You can choose from solid color laminates to floral designs. Gloss finish, matte finish, wooden finish, metallic finish to leather finish laminates are also available. Modern homeowners prefer using plain and texture laminates in appropriate areas. You have laminates that appear like veneer, where you can see veins of wood, which is quite in trend among modern homeowners. Laminates products are easier to maintain and can last long time with just few measures. Dust your laminate surface regularly, clean with mildly wet cloth and wipe dry with gentle stroke. Avoid using abrasive cleanser or steel wool scrubbers. Protect the surface from exposure to excess water and sunlight. If I talk about flooring, it is easier to install laminate wooden flooring when compared to vitrified tiles or marble. The boards are interlocked using tongue and groove joint. You can install laminate flooring on top of an existing floor. You can also fix laminate sheets onto furniture using high-grade adhesives. Remember to take into account all the above factors and your own custom requirements. Furthermore, always make sure that laminates used for kitchens, bathroom and outdoor areas are of the best quality that you can afford, as they have to withstand large variations in temperature and humidity. Greenlam Laminates from Greenply Industry Limited has a strong presence in the decorative laminate market in India. Other notable brands include Merino Laminates, Century, Assis and Durian. You may be thrilled to buy the most beautiful looking laminate with so many variety of designs and textures available in the market. But before you put your money down, ask yourself if you're ready to see that design for the next 15 to 20 years. If yes, then go ahead. I have prepared a checklist which I have shared in the description below. Do check it out before you go for shopping. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next week with new ideas and trends only on Design by Mishra.
Bye.